Alright, are you ready for a ringtone dance party?
Hold on, I'm not ready yet.
I don't care if you're not ready.
What? You just got a new phone?
Yes.
What kind of fancy it is? It's very fancy.
The Alcatel Tribe Pro from Cincinnati Bell.
Oh.
In black. It's just beautiful.
Very sleek. So, along with the new phone, always comes...
new ringtones.
Oh! So, dance party! That was actually a really nice one.
Hot Zone. That was just a tune.
I got violated just listening to it.
That's pretty special.
That was pretty awesome.
Yeah. Morning. Good morning, sunshine.
Welcome to the Reading Rainbow.
Nest.
Do the birds.
It's horrid. This is the one I have.
Oh!
Simple and nice.
Seriously? Change that.
Oh. That should have led into something that's kind of anticlimactic.
That was actually pretty cool.
Time lie. Timely. I can read. Wall. What does this have to do with walls? That's all of them.
Would you like a pretzel stick?
Or